Attention car audio fans, today we're checking out the JVC KW-M690BW. Now this is a 6.8-inch digital multimedia receiver with wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Includes Bluetooth and a bunch of other features packed into a clean, easy to use interface. So let's break it down to see if this unit is worth putting in your dash. Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breaker Stereo of Performance. Welcome to our channel that reviews all the best in car audio, performance, suspension, and more. Because we don't drive stock. And if you're like us, where stock just doesn't cut it, make sure to subscribe to this channel. So in this video, we're gonna go over all the features, give you a demo, and then we'll give you our take on it. So let's start with the features. Now this is a double-DIN digital multimedia receiver with AM/FM tuner. Plays media loaded on a thumb drive, loaded with MP3, WMA, and AAC files. Also high-res WAV and FLAC files. Now it does do video playback through MPEG 1, 2, and 4. Also MKV and WMV video. This is a 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen and a shallow chassis design to fit in a wide range of vehicles. Now smartphone features Eat Food, wired and wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now this board beams UFD mirroring for select Android and iPhones with the Mirror app. This also has built-in Wi-Fi. And then you have rapid USB charging through the USB port. Now audio and video features include a 13-band equalizer, digital time alignment, and also a rear camera input. Outputs include rear analog video, and this has 5-channel pre-out outputs for your amplifiers at 2.5 volts, front, rear, and sub mono. Built-in power is 22 watts RMS times 4 or 50 watts times 4 peak. And this is compatible with most factory steering wheel controls, but the adapter is required. Now the current retail price on this radio as of this recording is $399. Now note, price is subject to change. Okay, let's do a quick unboxing and then we'll get into a demo. All right, so let's check it out. All right, so here's the body of the radio. So it's shallow and also it's got this cavity on the top as well. So gives you the ability to put the wires all behind there, which is great. Okay. All right. This is the GPS antenna, and you're using navigation through your smartphone. It's much more accurate. Okay. That's that. Bluetooth microphone. They do give you a trim ring, hardware, the wire harness, and this is the brake wire. And then of course you're going to get your owner's manual, along with all the warranty information as well. All right, so let's fire this thing up. Okay, so this matrix here takes you to your available sources. So you have CarPlay, Android Auto, tuner, Bluetooth, USB, device list, and then AV off. You can go into settings. We have audio here. All right, so the audio is going to give us our speaker and crossover. So here you can select the speakers in the front here, and you can also select the size. All right, so we got a bunch of different options there. You can do the same thing for the rear here. Okay, and then you can also select the location as well. So if it's the upper dash, lower dash, or the back tray, you can do that. And then here is going to be your crossover settings. So you have front, rear, and sub. Okay, so let's go to the front real quick. And then here you can see there's your different frequencies. You have 30 hertz, 40, okay, up to probably 220, higher, 250. Then you can also select the slope as well. Okay, so you got -24, -18, -12, and -6. Let's have gain, okay, in the negatives if you want. And then all these settings are the same for the rear and also the subwoofer. All right, so let's go back, check out the equalizer. So you got a 14-band EQ. There are some presets here. So if you hit preset, you have, as you can see, the listed type of music on the bottom. But if you want to just adjust it yourself, you can just go ahead and grab the band and move it around if you want. So that's pretty good as far as responsiveness is concerned. It's pretty quick, so that's great. You also have a subwoofer level here. Okay, so you can turn that up or down, and then you have the bass extension if you want to do on or off. Okay, all right, so let's go back, and then you also have listening position. So these are some presets here. If you want to just set it to front left for the driver, you can do so. If you want to do adjustments, you can go here as well. And then as you can see here, this gives you the feet. All right. So there's a couple different ways you can do this, but real briefly, what you're doing is you're measuring the speakers from the center headrest to the speaker location. All right, on each of those, and that will align it. All right. Then you have volume offset. So here you can adjust each source independently. So let's say the USB is not as loud as, let's say, the Bluetooth, you can turn that up. So then when you switch between sources, it sounds even. All right, and then you have sound effects. So you got bass boost and loudness, and then you can actually turn amplifier on or off. As far as bass boost and loudness is concerned, if you have amplifiers, you're gonna want to leave those off. If you're not running an amplifier, then you can kind of mess with those and see what's gonna sound the best. So you have AV display interface, and then your camera here as well, so you can have the parking guidelines on or off, and then you could also set up the guideline as well, so you can move those around as you see fit. Now, we did talk about Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This has it for wired and wireless. Most people are familiar with those features, so I'm not going to really go into that right now. It's going to work very similar to what you're used to. Another cool feature is the wireless mirroring. So that'll work with Androids and iPhones. You just will need to use the app in order to transfer over the video. Okay, that'll do it. Okay, pros and cons. Starting with the pros, and we'll count them down. Number one, wireless smartphone features. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which makes life in a car way easier. Number two, strong sound processing. Built-in tools like the 13-band EQ and crossovers let you dial in the sound exactly how you want it. Number three, the price point. Now, coming in at under $400, this unit delivers a ton of modern features without breaking the bank. Okay, now the cons. Number one, no iDatalink Maestro support. At this price, I would have liked to see that compatibility. For comparison, Pioneer's DMH-W3000NEX has Maestro support for just 20 bucks more. Number two, lower pre-out voltage. Now, the JVC only has 2.5 volt pre-outs, while a 4 volt pre-out, like the Pioneer offers, would have been much better for a cleaner signal when adding amplifiers. Now, the bottom line is this: if you're working with an older vehicle that doesn't support iDatalink Maestro and you're not planning to run amplifiers, then this is a fantastic choice for under 400 bucks. You still get wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and solid audio customization, all at a budget-friendly price. I'm gonna give this radio a 4.25 star because of the lack of the two features. And if you do need them, again, the Pioneer DMH-W3000NEX is a great option for $419. Because if you stay within the JVC lineup, the next radio up with those features is a KW-W875, but that's $799. But it does come with a lot of other features as well. Now, for this radio, or the Pioneer radio, we do have it listed on our website. We'll leave the links in the description below, taking you directly to the product page. Now, remember, we do have financing available. Simply add the car, pick a financing option, get approved, and we'll send your gear out to you ASAP. That'll do it. Hope it helped. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. Again, my name is Josh. I'm with Breaker Stereo and Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.